What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2026 GMC Terrain started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If we try to start the Terrain as we normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying no key found, try again. If I keep trying to start it, it's just going to keep saying no key found. So what I'm going to do is grab my key fob, and we're going to come over here to the center console, and taking a look at the front center console right here. On this mat, if you can notice on there, there's a little icon of a key. It's kind of hard to make out, but that's what that is. So what I'm going to do is grab my key, set it on that icon like that, and now I should be able to start the vehicle as normal. So brake, stop start button. And once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is to replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video to a video that will show you how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.